Overcomers, if you've ever wanted to start your own YouTube channel and you don't want to show your face online, I'm going to show you in this video how to start your own personalized, unique channel with your own specific avatar that you can use in all your videos, and that is going to make your audience to be able to easily connect with you. So the first thing that I want you to do is to decide on what kind of channel you want to create, and let that not hinder you, because even if you don't know, you can try things from the beginning and then you can still change along the line. So but some of the areas that I'll encourage you to start in, anything that has to do with health, wealth, relationship, anything that has to do with business, AI, those things are actually trending now. So even if you don't know anything, right, you can start your journey where you are actually learning and then teaching people what you are learning. And so that's a way that you can also start. So let nothing hinders you. After you've decided on the kind of niche you want to focus on, but another thing that you can also do is that you can actually just come to a YouTube video like this, and then you click here, scroll down, you see where it says show transcript. So this is my video. You'll be able to see the transcript of this video. So you can just go ahead and copy this transcript, right? And then take this transcript now and go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to customize it so that it matches your needs. So you can take whatever you've copied. Now just come here in ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that you want to start a YouTube channel, and in that channel you want ChatGPT to act like a presenter, and then take this information and make it into a YouTube script. When you do that, you just press enter and ChatGPT is going to write a YouTube script for you. So the next thing I want you to do is to copy this script and then take this script now to DID. One of the ways is that you can actually record your own voice. You can buy a mic, or you can even use the audio in your phone, and then you record your own voice, use your same voice, and then I'm going to show you what to do. So but now we are going to use AI. So I want us to take this script that we have written now and then go to 11 Lab. And everything I'm talking about in this video, I'm going to put in a text file down below, so you can go ahead and click on that text file. Then you'll be able to see all the information. Every link that you need is going to be inside that text file. And if this is your first time here, I'm so glad to have you. My name is Delphine. I just want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. So but let me just show you how to do it. So I'm going to paste my script right here, and what I'm going to do is that you see right here you have voice. So these are different voices. You can try it, and then you'll be able to hear the sound of the voice, and then you can now decide on which one you want to choose. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to take this one. So I'm taking Sarah. So 11 Lab is going to generate our audio, and then we'll go to the next step. After you are done generating your audio, you just come down here. There is this arrow down here. You click there just like that, and then it's going to download the audio for you. Now that we've had our audio, the next thing I want us to do is to actually create our avatar. You can use any AI software. So today I'm going to be using Midjourney. You can use anyone. If this is your first time to use Midjourney, you are just going to create an account, and then it's going to bring you to this platform. So what I want you to do is to describe your character. If you don't know how to describe it, you can ask ChatGPT to describe a character for you. You can even take your own picture and then come here, upload it here to Midjourney. I have some videos on the channel that you can watch. Now you can just come here and say imagine. You click the / and then you say imagine, and then now it will provide a place for the prompt. Then I'm just going to paste my prompt right here. So my prompt, I'm just saying that a 60-year-old Nigerian woman. So I'm just putting anything, so the AI already knows who a Nigerian woman is. So I'm just showing you the simplest way that you can do it. You can just put a 10-year-old, a 20, a 50, whatever thing that you want to do. Just describe the image, and I'm putting that she's wearing an African cloth, sitting behind a desk, then facing the camera. And I'm also putting the aspect ratio because I want it to be for a YouTube channel. So I'm putting aspect ratio 16:9, and I'm just going to click enter just like this. So while that one is generating, these are other ones that I've generated. You can decide what kind of clothes that you want them to wear. You can decide what kind of color. You can decide anything. I also added that I want her to be wearing a headphone, and I want her to be sitting in front of a microphone, just so that it looks professional. It looks as if it's a YouTube channel, right? So now our avatar has been generated, so you can look at all of them and see which one you like. So let's just go ahead and take this one. So I'm just going to come here, and then it's going to upscale it, and then from there we are going to download our image. So this is it right here, and I'm just going to right click, and I'm just going to save on my computer, save as. So put anything, and then I'm just going to save to my desktop. So after you've downloaded your your avatar, the next thing is for you to go to DID. So I'm going to put it in the text box. Go to DID, create an account, and then it's going to bring you here. So while you are here, I just want you to come here and create video. So after you create a video, you click here where it says create, just like that. You click here, standard avatar. So you go ahead now and then upload the image that we just generated. Okay, now our image is right here. It has uploaded. So the next thing I want you to do is to click here where it says script. You just click here like this. Now if you did not have your audio already, you could write your script here and then you choose any voice from here. But the voices here are not the best to do things like this. So you can still come here and record your voice here while you are talking. You can record your voice here and then it's going to translate to this woman to discuss whatever thing that you are saying. But since we already had our voice, we are just going to come here and then we are going to upload. Then go ahead and upload the voice that we generated. Now that the voice is here, we are going to click here to generate video. So when you click there, it's going to take some time and then it's going to generate the video for us. And this is time for you to give the video a thumbs up, and if you are enjoying it so far, just put in the comment section that I am enjoying it. So now our video is ready. So now what we are going to do is that if we click here, we'll be able to
Overcomer. My name is Delphine and welcome to Overfine, the channel where I help you turn your skills into multiple streams of income and live life on your own terms.
So what we are going to do now, we are going to come here to download, then I'll take you to the next step. So now that we have downloaded our video, the next thing that I want you to do is to take this thing that we have downloaded now and go to CapCut and put everything together for the final edit. So now that you are in CapCut, now just come here to where it says create new and then you click here. Now what are you creating? So we are creating a YouTube video, so you click here. Now it's going to open the space for us so that we can start creating our YouTube video. So when everything is ready, I just want you to go and upload our file that we just downloaded from DID. So after we are done uploading our video, just come here, bring it like this. It's going to come here. Now you see how this DID, it has its logo here. You can just take your logo, your own logo, and just put here. It's annoying to see this DID logo here. So when you are editing your video, there are some different components that you need. You need stock footages, so you can go to Pixabay. It's free. You can use those from there. And then another thing that you need is also music. I use Epidemic Sound. I'm going to put all the links in the text file as I explained. So anything that you are saying in your video, if you want to present it with a stock footage, you are just going to bring it here like this. And then let's say I was saying something about people, whatever they are doing, and then I'm just going to bring it right here just like this. And now I'll have all those things there. When I'm talking in the video, then all these other ones that I've put up here, they are going to show right here. And then another thing is that you can come here to audio, then I can just take any audio music. Make sure you are not using this music. If you don't have pay music, you can go to YouTube library and you are going to get free music from there. So then you take the music, now you just put at the bottom just like this. So those are the main things you need for your video. So now you've put everything together. Now I'm just going to delete this part that I don't need. I'm just going to click on this download button just like this, and then I'll put a name for my video. Come here, take something of high quality. This one is good. Make sure it's on MP4, and then you just go ahead and then you export it. So let us go ahead and watch what we just did.
My name is Delphine and welcome to Overfine, the channel where I help you turn your skills into multiple streams of income and live life on your own terms. Today, we're diving into one.
So now after this, the next thing that you have to do is to upload your video to YouTube. In order for you to upload your video to YouTube, you need to create a YouTube channel. And I've already walked you through step by step how to create a YouTube channel in this video that I'm going to link up here. So you can go ahead and watch that video. It's going to help you to create a YouTube channel. So after you've created your YouTube channel, now I want you to come here to where it says create, upload, and then you're just going to upload the video that you just created to YouTube post. Now your video is going to go live. You just follow all of this and put everything that you need to do. Just follow step by step, and then when you are done, you post your video and it's going to go live. So when your video is live, you are ready. Overcomers, you just have to repeat everything over and over. Use the same avatar and your channel is going to grow. So now that you have your video, another thing that you need to take note of is your title, your thumbnail. Make sure that you are looking at other people in your niche and how their thumbnails are, how they are writing their titles, and make sure that you are writing yours to also look attractive so that people can click. And always remember that your title and your thumbnail are the first things that people are going to see before they click on your video. So those things must be very attractive. So overcomers, I hope everything is clear. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and I want you to put in the comment section that I am an overcomer, because as we move toward 2025 and you are overcoming, and I believe so much in you that you are an overcomer. So love you all so much. I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm an overcomer, by God's grace I rise.